What's up, guys? I'm going to show you a neat little trick with a deck of cards today. I don't know the name of it. I'm going to call it Aces Up. It's self-working. And what you do is you have a spectator take your deck of shuffled cards and cut four piles onto the table with it. So the spectator cuts four. Try to make them somewhat even, not too big. And then you explain to the spectator that, you know, he's going to shuffle the cards up and we're going to try to find the aces. So you have him pick each pile up one at a time and deal them onto the other piles until the pile's all the way dealt out, and then go to the next pile and the next pile until all the piles have been dealt out onto the table, just like this. All the piles are dealt onto the table. What the spectator does not know is he has already found the aces, and you simply tell him to flip over the top card of each pile, and all four aces have been found. But not only that, not only did he find all four aces, he also found all four kings. Just like that. Now let's go over how this is done. It's self-working, like I said, so it's real easy. All you have to do to make this work is put the kings and aces on the bottom of the deck in this order. Kings, all four of them. Aces, all four of them. Kings on top of aces, just like this, and then put that onto the bottom of the pack. The deck is, or the trick is ready to go with those on the bottom. It's a nifty little trick. You can just put all four aces on the bottom and this will work with just only the four aces. And you pretend to shuffle, leaving the little stack of 8 cards here on the bottom when you shuffle. And then you have them separate the piles into 4. This being the bottom pile with the ace and the king on it. Aces and the kings on it, and then you have them do all this dealing here just to make the deck appear to be extremely mixed up when really the bottom cards are still there on that pile the whole time. And then once they do the last pile with the aces on the bottom and they deal them all off, when they get down to the bottom of the stack, when there's only about 8 cards left, like now, what they're doing is simply placing the 4 cards where they need to be on the packs. So now you have the 4 aces. Boom. And that can be all you do, is just put the 4 aces on the bottom of the deck and get to this point. But if you want to make it a little more clever, you can add the 4 kings in. Or even take this trick to a further level and maybe mix the cards up in a certain way so that all the piles are in a certain order when they get done doing this. It's up to you. If you like the trick, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, come back, watch the next video. Have a good day.